Violence against women and girls is a collective problem in our societies and needs collective action to stop it. According to the Istanbul Convention, states are responsible to guarantee the right to live free from violence to every person, particularly to women and girls. There is a serious underinvestment in specific women support services in many countries and regions in Europe. As a consequence, in many regions, women and children have nowhere to go when they're free from violence and no one they can trust to talk to. This is a shame and it needs to be changed. With the launch of the Wave Step Up campaign, we call upon parliaments, governments and other actors in society to support the campaign goals and to step up their investments in gender-sensitive and empowering support to all survivors of violence.
Across the UK, domestic abuse against women is the only type of violent crime that's still on the rise. We women need UK governments, local authorities and police forces to step up and invest in refuge and women-centred services, ones that are needs-led and gender-responsive.
Em Portugal, Supervivientes de Violência Sexual exigem serviços especializados.
Жінки та діти, постраждали від насильства, потребують професійного захисту та підтримки. В Україні катастрофічно не вистачає притулків для постраждалих від насильства. Держава має забезпечити жінкам безпечні притулки. Це питання національної безпеки.
Türkiye'de şiddete maruz kalan kadınların şiddetten uzak yaşamlar kurabilmeleri için sosyal ve ekonomik desteklere ihtiyaçları var.
În România, noi, femeile, suntem blamate atunci când raportăm violența. Cerem autorităților să facă pașii necesari pentru parteneriate reale cu ONG-urile specializate și cu experiență, pentru servicii care ajută cu adevărat în eliminarea violenței domestice și violenței sexuale, pentru o societate mai sigură pentru toți.
So ladies, loudly so I can hear you, what do you want to do? Stand up!